Kaway, guys, kaway.
What's up?
Tao doon.
Backside early transfer to big one. NXP to let's be third. Backside third. Ay, nalibak lang. Alright, thank you, Dom. Next lap. Last one. Again, highest score counts. Best run. Alright, dito daw mag-umpisa si Rob Santos. Judges, dito siya mag-umpisa. 15, Rob Santos. Timer ready, judges ready. Rolling, 15. Woo! Let's go up! Time, full speed. Approaching big curve. Backside slash, narinig ko yun. Movement pa rin. Frontside, turn full speed. Approaching ulit. Deep curve. 5-0. Lean back to 4. Nice one, Rod. Fire. Tuloy lang. Backside, 5-0 slash. 10 seconds. Oh, the signature. Sayang. Signature trick. Buulan pa nakahupad. Alam ko eh. Kaso, 1-5 fine. Nice one, Rod. Joke lang. Alright. Next later, Joshua. Good try. Last run. Stand by, Joshua. Stand by the Nogi. After ni Joshua. Alright. Doon ulit mag-umpisa si Joshua. Stand by. Joshua, doon ulit mag-umpisa sa mini-ball. Alright. Timer ready. Wait lang ulit. Alright, judges ready, Joshua. Let's go. Let's go, Toy. Tagaytay represent. Melon transfer. Yeah. Backside triple curve. Adding speed. Holding disaster to big ball. Volcano manual on top. Rock and roll. Roll in sa volcano. Backside 50. Big ball. Grind yun. Adding speed. Backside transfer to big wall. Getting speed ulit. Unusual spot. Back speed at the time. Alright. Okay. Good one. Vincent, stand by. Okay, bital. Ogi pala muna, sorry. Ogi pala, Vincent, sorry. Ogi, nalagpasan. Sorry, Ogi. Last run, ready? Judges ready, timer ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go.